This is a game where we, it's called Sound Effects, and we are fixing a photocopier. Let's go.
Okay.
So
Frick, thank you so much for coming to help me, because you know what happened is this. I put my, I opened up this thing like I'm supposed to.
I see.
It's delayed. You
Yeah,
see, the whole process is delayed.
I can hear.
Then I put in the piece of paper.
Well, I think for a start, you're using a very heavy grade of paper there.
Then I close it. And then when I press this button, hear the horrendous sound that comes out of it. What? And no copy. There's no copy.
Yeah, but it sounds like there could be a Jack Russell or something stuck inside here. I tell you what we'll do. Let's unscrew this plate over here with my patented electric screwdriver as I switch it on.
Click.
Works the second time. I hope Sasol is more reliable. Okay, and we unscrew one screw.
I'm just holding that for you.
You know, this ground is silent. The screw falls down, you hear nothing, I tell you. Let's try one here.
That wasn't a screw, that was a bolt.
Yeah. Sommige made from vanadium, ik zeg. Is gravity funny in this room? I swear it floated for a while. Okay.
You see, now that's what I call a quiet screw in the copy room. I'm just going to take this metal plate and drop it here. Down the stairs. Who wants it?
And if we look in, we see that, that this technical piece over here seems to be squeaking.
No, that one's vibrating. Maybe this one squeaks. That must be a Bliksem Jack Russell.
I'm telling you. Okay, I think what always happens, you know, when things don't go so well, you've really just got to give them a good kick.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm going to see what happens here if I give it a good...
I thought you said a good kick.
Sorry, I've been influenced by the Springboks. Try one more. Ah, bam! That's it.
There we go. Let's press a button and see what happens now.
Do you think this copier belongs to that oak with a Star Trek fetish?
You know what, I think it might just be dry. I think the problem is that this copier is dry. I've got here my old-fashioned oil can.
Yeah.
I'm just going to oil it up a bit.
Yeah, and while you oil it, I'm going to move the hinges, so we do two things at once.
Okay, 1, 2, 3,
Okay.
go. Okay, give it a go.
All right. Switching on. Boop. Trying again.
There we go, it seems to be working.
You can.
I oiled the Jack Russell out of that.
Hey, there we go. Ladies and gentlemen, give him a round of applause. Come on.
Awesome.